had a huge luggage space and then a smaller one, and I just want to put one inside the other. I have to clean them both first because they haven't been used for like 2 years because we haven't traveled anywhere. But I just have some tissue, some kitchen towels, and some multi-surface because I don't know how else I'm supposed to clean them because they're really, really dusty. So let's do that. Time-lapse time. So I've cleaned them. I've sneezed about a million times. I feel the sneeze, you know when you have allergies and you can feel them in your nose, like your nose is tickling. It's awful, I hate it. So yeah, I've cleaned them as much as I could. And we're obviously gonna use them for actually moving, so we're gonna put stuff in them once it's closer to the date. But for now, because I'm not gonna start packing like clothes and stuff yet, so for now we're just gonna fill them with stuff. So for this little baby, I think I'm gonna put some books that I know I'm not gonna read before we move. There's no time for that. So let's open it and put some books in it. The thing is, when we move there, we're not gonna have anything, any furniture. I'm hopefully gonna order the mattress and that's it, like no bed frame even. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun experience. When we moved in here, we've had, obviously it was furnished, so we've had everything. We've had bed, wardrobe, chest of drawers, the sofa, we had storage, so we had places to put our stuff. Now we're just gonna be like, go in there and then what? Like it's crazy. I love it. It's gonna be so thrilling and so something new that I need so much. So anyways, I have a lot of books that I need to donate, so there's that. Alright, and then we had some other ones that I'm not gonna read until we move. I don't have time, and I already read like 3 books. And if you thought that was all of them, no, I forgot more. And again, I have no storage space there, so it's gonna be fun trying to see where I'm gonna put them. We've got my trolley full with books, and it's so heavy. But that's cool because I can just carry it like this. Please tell me it fits. Yeah, it does. Okay. Let's put it there. Cool. Ow. I think what I want to do is move the clothing rack. So basically, I have this clothing rack here, but I think I want to move it on the wall so I can have a bit of space on here. Hopefully. So I now have this little bit of space here that I can literally fill with stuff. So let's do that first. I'll put the trolley. And then I'll put the Christmas decorations, which are these ones. Okay. I'm gonna fill everything behind the mirror. I'm gonna leave the mirror in front so it's kind of hiding a bit of the other stuff that's behind it. So for now, let's put like the plant stuff at the bottom. So I've got some perlite, which is huge. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen my plant video when I repotted all of my plants before the move, then I'll leave a card there or somewhere so you can see that as well. And I breathe. One touch. What I'm actually going to do, because there's still lots of empty boxes and stuff, is take Simba's play thing from there and put it somewhere in the room and then throw as many things as I can behind the sofa. So that's what I'm gonna try to do now. It's coming. Oh no. to go behind the couch and get a little tiny little pieces. So I'll see you after that, because I think that's gonna take like 100 hours. So I don't even know if I'm in frame or anything, but I've managed to get the kitty tower thing out of the back of the sofa. I'm sweating like crazy. It's not even that heavy, but it's so big. And now I'm gonna try to fit as many of these boxes as possible in the back and like flat pack them, make sure they're all nicely together and out of the way. So let's do that. This is the behind the scenes of what a empties video looks like. I just finished filming one. And also the behind the scenes, let me turn the screen, is that I look nice and pretty on this side, and then I have pajama pants. They're actually like really comfy pants, but that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is that it's now the next day and we are going to finish tidying up the house. I've left actually the desk. I've left it the way it was yesterday, because yesterday I just relaxed. We went for a walk, so we didn't have time to like work on it. But today it's definitely the day when we're gonna like finish it and like put it aside and put it together and just have it out of the way. But let me show you, because I'm not sure if I showed you exactly how I arranged everything yesterday. We have here behind the mirror a lot of boxes, and there is also boxes there, and behind these ones there's the desk in here, the same style. Some stuff in there that I need to tackle. Here's the stuff that I need to throw out from my empties. Let me show you the other room. It's not as bad as I would have thought. I actually have little things to do today. That's all that is left to do. I've washed my donation clothes, so that would be nice and ready, and I'll see if I can sell any of them, and if not, that's fine. And then behind the sofa, I've actually organized it pretty well, I have to admit. So we have a rack of, most of them are empty boxes, and then we have some stuff we need to send to Romania, the Christmas tree, some flat lay boxes that I'm gonna use to pack, and then over there is just the stuff that we actually use, so like the mop and everything else. So that's kind of everything that I need to do today. I'm just gonna clean a bit of the room now, so like just regular cleaning, like washing the dishes and like putting stuff away, and then we're gonna go back to packing the stuff.